Hey, do you want to learn how to use ChatGPT study feature? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use it. What it basically does is it's going to act like your mentor. It's not going to give you the answer as is. So let's say you can click here, the plus icon, and then you can click here on study and learn. Now you can say, help me with my homework. And then it's going to say, okay, which grade are you in and such. So you can give it an image by clicking over here on the plus icon and then add photos and files. Then you can give the image here. You can just take a screenshot of it. Your question that you are having trouble with, you can give the image here and say, okay, help me solve this. All right. So it's going to give you the explanation. Like we're given this expression and this is the hint. So this is how to solve it. Let's do the next step together. So yeah, it's not going to give you the answer as is. If you want to do that, you do not want to select the study. You just need to give the question and say, okay, help, just solve the question for me. So I just Googled this and I came to this number 68 and it said nicely done. And then give the explanation for it. It goes on and on till this point where I've given it this answer and it said, okay, let's combine all this. And it has said this final answer, which is option C. This is the one, the option C. Okay, just like that, I said, explain the basics of quantum physics. So what is quantum physics? Key ideas you should know. And would you like to go deeper into one of those ideas? So you can just say, okay, I want to go deeper into this idea, entanglement, and then it's going to explain that. So that way. I also tried one more, which is kanji. So I wanted to learn about Japanese kanji characters. So that said, okay, I've learned a bit of Japanese. So it just said, okay, today's goal, learn 5 basic kanji characters. And this is what it says. You'll learn. Each has a meaning. Onyomi, which is Chinese reading, and kunyomi, which is Japanese reading, example word. So there you go. It has given us all this. After that, it's going to say, let's review. So which kanji means tree? So you can answer that. After that, it's going to give you a practice round. So it's like a quiz. We teach the ChatGPT and it's going to say, okay, this is right, this is wrong. And then it's going to explain why this is right or why that thing is wrong that you're saying. Of course, you can also use the voice mode, which is going to be very helpful with this study feature. And yeah, that's it. That's how to use ChatGPT study feature. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more ChatGPT related tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.